shit. Fucking hate my life.
Okay.
Take me to jail.
Okay.
Do whatever you want. These kids,
Okay.
I don't
Relax.
hate my fucking life.
You don't want to see your kids to see like that. Stop.
Oh, God, you guys couldn't know what I have been through every day. I just fucking...
On October 13th, 2025, at 9:15 p.m., an officer pulled over a driver identified as Ms. Durks after watching her turn left on a red arrow and drive directly onto the grass with 2 children inside.
Good evening, how are you?
Hi. It'd be better if you didn't have such bright lights on me.
I understand that. Do you have your driver's license and insurance
I'm
on you?
going to find that, and I was talking to my husband, who doesn't help me out with anything.
Okay. Are these your kiddos in the back?
Yes. I got 2 of them.
Oh, they're sleeping. We don't have to roll the window down. I was just curious.
Okay. I actually have the thing saved.
Okay. About?
Life.
Oh, I gotcha. Oh, you're on the phone?
I was on the phone.
Okay. Do you know why I stopped you tonight?
No.
Well, so first thing, you turned left on a red arrow there at 14 and 47, and then you were all over the road. You crossed the yellow line, you were almost in the ditch with the whole truck, and you came back in and out, you're riding the grass.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I multitask on a regular basis.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Did you realize that you were all the way over the shoulder in the grass driving down Route 14 at any point?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. How'd that happen?
Trying to navigate my 2 toddlers.
Okay. Let me ask you a question. Have you had any alcohol to drink tonight?
Nope.
Any drugs of any kind?
Okay.
Okay. What's got you driving like that?
Well, I have 2 kids that are just constantly on my case. Always asking me for things. And
Sure.
So,
Okay. Well, did you turn left on a red arrow?
I thought I made it just in time.
It was pretty solid red when we went through, but you recognized that it was red at some point. I gotcha. Okay. What were you doing with your 2 toddlers that got you off the road multiple times?
Picking up, trying to find their tablets.
Okay. Okay. Do you usually have motor skill issues? I noticed you dropped a couple of things while you were talking to me. I'm just worried that we're okay to make it home while we got 2 kids in the back of the car.
I promise you I will be. I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay.
I'll be good.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you. Okay. All right, Mr. Oh, what'd you get there?
I put my ring on last night that was too tight.
Oh, is it swollen?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me ask you, are you particularly tired or anything right now?
I'm always tired.
Okay. Because like I said, with what I noticed, the driving, okay, your eyes are a little glassy. I'm worried that you're okay to drive because what I saw was dangerous. I just want to make sure we're good. So you're more tired than particular today?
I am.
Okay.
If you want to follow me to where I'm going, I'd be happy to. That'd be
Sure,
fine.
sure. First thing I want to do is just make sure that we're able to get there, because from what I just saw, I don't think you are able to get there. So what I have you do real quick, it's called a finger dexterity test. I'm going to demonstrate it for you, and then I'll have you complete it. Wait till I'm done with the instructions. But what you're going to do is you're going to touch your thumb to the tip of each finger, and you're going to count out loud 1 to 4, and then you're going to go backwards. You're going to do the test twice. So when I tell you to start, I want you to touch your thumb to the tip of each finger, and then count the number out loud each time, forward and backwards twice. Do you have any questions about that test as I've explained it to you so far?
Nope.
Okay, you can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2.
Okay. Were you texting on the phone or talking on the phone? You said you were something with your husband or...
I don't know. I always...
Gotcha. Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. All right. So what I want you to do is if you can step out of the vehicle for me and come talk to me back here real quick, okay? All right, then just right here so we're out of traffic and we're safe, okay? All right. So you haven't had any alcohol tonight, no medications, nothing like that? All right, so I want to run you through a couple of tests. I want to make sure we make it home, okay, especially with the kids in the back. They're your kids, right, son and daughter? Okay. And then you were leaving the Madison house, going to check on the horses right now?
Yep.
Okay. I just want to make sure you make it home. I'm worried about you and the kids, okay? Once we get done with that, we can be on our way. Sound good? All right, Ms. Durks, the first thing I want to test is your eyes, okay? I'm going to give you some simple instructions while I do that. Can I have you stand with your feet together and your hands at your side? And just remain in this position while I give you the rest of the instructions. You understand that so far?
Yeah.
Okay. With your eyes and your eyes only, I want you to follow the tip of this pen here, okay? With your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Keep your head still for me. Okay, when I say begin, what I want you to do is take a series of 9. Okay? Is take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line. When you get to the end, I want you to take a series of small steps, keeping that lead foot planted, and you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Okay? Okay, you may begin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. All right, Ms. Durks. At this point, it does appear that you're impaired by something. Well, from what I've seen, you are too impaired to drive. Okay? You're telling me you haven't had any alcohol tonight.
No.
Okay. That being said, you have 2 small children in the car with you. Okay? Is there somebody who can drive them home safely? Because at this point, I don't think you're capable of doing that.
You?
I can't do that. No, I don't have car seats.
The stop quickly escalated to an arrest for child endangerment and DUI, turning highly emotional as Ms. Durks grew belligerent while officers tried to arrange for a relative to collect her children.
Are you gonna take me to jail?
Yes, at this point, you were driving under the influence. I've determined that you were too impaired to drive, and you definitely can't be driving with the kids. Not to jail, to the police department and back home. But in the meantime, is there somebody who can watch your children? Your husband? Is that a possibility?
Yeah.
Okay. Who?
Call him.
Yeah. Is for your phone in the car? Hold on.
If we grab it, so you don't.
Just because of traffic.
Is that okay?
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Is he close by? Do you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make my divorce go quicker.
Is there anything illegal in the car right now? No, you can talk to him.
No,
Okay.
not.
Hello?
Hi, this is Officer Gallman with the Woodstock Police Department. I'm here with Miss Durks.
Yes.
So we are currently at Route 14 between 47 and Dean. Are these your children that are with her?
Oh, it's on Bluetooth.
Oh. Is there a chance that you could come pick them up? Okay, that's fine. All right, here's your phone
I
back.
don't want my mother.
I mean, you asked me to call him, and that's who's coming. So,
Oh no.
well, you don't really have a choice in that right now. Why can't? No, your mother, yeah, right? You don't want that?
Absolutely not.
Why is that?
Because they all fucking judge me for everything I do, and I fucking take care of everybody.
Okay. I'm just looking for somebody responsible who can grab your kids. No, I don't know.
What? You're sending my fucking mom over here? Piece of shit. Fucking hate my life. Take me to jail.
Okay.
You do whatever you want. These kids,
Okay.
I don't
Oh,
fucking
relax.
hate
Stop. You don't want to see your kids. You don't want to see your kids.
You know what I have been through everything. I get fucking abused. I'm a fucking abused piece of shit. Don't push it. I don't. You don't
Stop.
have to do that.
And you're being belligerent, and you've almost run into traffic 3 times. So let's act right while your daughter is walking you free.
You don't have to do that.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
You don't have to do that.
Okay, let's go back to your children. Don't see this, okay?
You don't have to do that.
I do, because you're under arrest. And I don't want to do this to your kids, so please act right.
Thank you.
Don't make me do this to them. Gotcha. Do you have anything illegal on you right now? Any weapons of any kind?
You can look at me.
I will. I'm just asking you for my safety precautionary. Okay, thank you. No needles, no knives. Do you have a wallet or something in the car you want?
Mark.
Okay, we're gonna go in the rear of this car, okay?
Can you undo this before my mom comes?
No, I can't undo it till we get to the
She
police
won't even see
department.
it. She won't even see it.
Okay, so let's go to the car, please.
I need to get my wallet.
I'll get it for you. Have a seat for me.
Following the arrest on October 13, 2025, Ms. Durks was transported to the county jail for booking and chemical processing. Her late-night claims of being distracted by her children were quickly overshadowed by the physical evidence of impairment documented by the officer, including her erratic driving behavior, such as turning left on a red arrow and driving onto the grass, and her glassy eyes. In court, the body camera footage of the roadside encounter proved highly damaging to the defense. The video captured not only her poor performance on the finger dexterity and walk-and-turn field sobriety tests, but also her sudden escalation into belligerent and emotional resistance when officers tried to arrange a safe ride home for her 2 children because she operated a vehicle while significantly impaired with minors in her custody. The state aggressively pursued child safety charges alongside the traffic offenses. Ms. Durks was ultimately convicted of driving under the influence, DUI, and 2 counts of child endangerment. She was sentenced to probation, mandatory substance abuse counseling, parenting classes, and a substantial driver's license suspension. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.